Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Prices at the pumps are to rise this week. The increase announced by Petrojam takes the price of gasoline to a 40-month high. Dashan Hendricks is at the Smart Board and tells us more.
Well, consumers will be facing increases at the pumps this week. Petrojam announcing a $1.47 increase in the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline. The increase taking the price of both grades of the fuel to the highest they have been in more than 3 years. In fact, you'd have to go back to about September 2014 to see prices at the levels they are right now. As for auto diesel, it is going down by some 10 cents this week, while the low sulfur variety increases by 52 cents. Kerosene, that is up 27 cents, but look at that. Propane cooking gas down $1.83, but butane is down 58 cents this week. It's now back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. The US dollar is being sold for an average $124.80. The Canadian dollar is costing $100.22. The pound sterling costs $171.17, while the euro is going for $155.12. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, says digital customers are complaining less about the depletion of their call credit. The regulator said it saw a spike in complaints during the April to June quarter of 2017 from customers who said their call credit was being used for data services whenever their data credit expired. The OUR says this was being done without notification from the operator. It says after it met with Digicel on the matter, the telecom company reconfigured its system so that when a customer's data plan expires, it does not access the call credit. The OUR says that system was fully implemented at the end of last year. It says it will conduct an assessment during the first quarter of this year to ensure the changes are maintained. Seprod says it has incorporated Musin Holdings in its subsidiaries into the Seprod Group. This was done with the shares of Musin transferred at the nominal cost on January 1. The move is the consummation of a 2-year plan in which Seprod acquires the dairy operations to significantly expand its suite of milk-based products and broaden its reach in the export markets. The JSE index declined by more than 1,220 points, while the junior market index lost 14. Stocks posting gains included AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB Financial Group, and Supreme Ventures. Now on the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carib Cement, Express Catering, G West Corporation, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, Main Event Entertainment, Panjam, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.